Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I'm going to do a general love reading for the sign Taurus. Taurus people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. Alright? So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. So Taurus, first of all, I'm going to check your current energy and your partner's current energy. Then we'll proceed with your readings. Okay. Judgment. Taurus people, this is your current energy and we have got Judgment. I believe you guys are going through some hurdles in your life, some tough time in your life, and at this point of time in life, divine angels, universe is asking you to just look into your own mind. Okay, perhaps you are being somebody who is completely out of focus, or you are feeling that, oh my god, where my life is leading me. This is the time for you to introspect your own thoughts. This is the time for you to introspect your own views. What do you think about yourself? What do you think about your life? How you want your life in future? What plans you are making for yourself for in future? And when it comes to relationship things, I believe that most of you are working really hard towards your relationship. Okay, perhaps you are not showing your efforts to your partner, but yes, on emotional level you are doing a lot of things. Or perhaps you are being somebody who is evaluating your person or their efforts when it comes to relationship, because I feel that you don't want to take any kind of risk. So at this point of time you are being, or I would say you are trying to play safe. You have emotions for this person, you have the abilities to take actions for this person or for this relationship, but you just want to play safe. You cannot afford a single mistake. That's how your mind works. Okay, I can't afford this thing, or I cannot afford this mistake. Okay, what if I ask them to be with me, or if I offer something to them, and what if they are not the genuine person? What would I do? What will I do then? So a lot of things are going on or happening in your mind. At this point of time you need to think wisely. Okay, just do some meditation, some yoga. Okay, you will get all your answers. On the other hand, this is your partner's current energy, 7 of Cups and 5 of Swords. With these two cards, I feel that your person was going through some fights. Okay, the fights could be legal, the fights could be on emotional grounds, this fight could be on this fight could be a financial ground or something like that. So whatever the fight it was, I feel that your person has won that. Okay, and in past they were projecting themselves as they are the most confused soul. So now with this 7 of Cups in reverse, they are showing themselves as, no, now everything is sorted, I am completely focused in my life, I know what I want. Okay, it could also happen, Taurus, that your person was going through some legal issues. Perhaps somebody was going through some divorce things. I mean, this could happen, and I feel that they are through with that thing and they have won that thing, and now they are not confused, they are completely focused in life. They have got a vision towards their new life, and yes, now let's see what you think about them and what they think about you, or how you feel about them and how they feel about you. Ace of Wands. See what I told you, that your person is out from something. Okay, and now they are completely focused. So you see them as somebody who has potential to take actions, okay, and perhaps you see them as somebody who always wants to start something new in life, who always who is very energetic person. Okay, this person always believes in taking action. You see them uh, as a fire. You see them as a fire. Okay, if this you feel or you think about them, okay, if this person has said this thing, that I'll do that, I'll do this thing, they make sure that they accomplish that particular project. Okay, and also I'm feeling that you think about them as something new is starting in their life, because yes, they have been through some tough time in life, and they were completely confused in life earlier, but now they are completely focused. They are determined towards something to get into their life. It could be their finances, it could be their goals, it could be their career, it could be love also. Okay, but on the other hand, you see them as somebody who is eager to start something new, or some new beginning has been has taken place in their life. All right, now this is strength card. Taurus, your person feels about you, or they see you as somebody who is a very strong minded person. All right, they see you as somebody who has the most stubborn mind in a positive way. Okay, with this strength card, they also feel about you that you are the strongest person. Okay, mentally you are very strong, you know what you want in life. Okay, and you are somebody who don't want to settle, or who never settles on less. You must be going through a lot of tough time in life. I told you in the beginning of this reading that you must be going through some tough time in your life, but you are like so compassionate and so kind and so wise in your life, that you are dealing with all such difficult times with full grace. Okay, you have maintained your mental peace, you have maintained your reputation with the people. Okay, if you are going through tough time, it doesn't mean that you have become bitter. No, you are wise, you are confident, you are stubborn, you are determined, but the thing is that something is not clicking in your life. All right, now let's see what action you guys are taking towards each other. Page of Pentacles. Taurus people, I feel that you are taking your own time to take action towards this person and towards this relationship, because see, this person has holding this pentacle in his hand. It means this person is giving its own time. He is thinking whether I should invest here or I should not invest here. Okay, this person has a lot of opportunities. Okay, the land behind this person, it means that this person has immense chances of opportunities. They have great chances of opportunities. Okay, but this person is not investing anything as of now, because this person does not want to invest in any kind of uh, thing which is not going to give benefit to them. And it's you, Taurus. You are thinking about this person. You are you must be, you're thinking about this person, and you are thinking about how they are going to benefit you as in terms of emotional connection. Are they going to fulfill all your emotional needs? Will they be genuine towards you? So a lot of things, a lot of questions are going on in your mind. That's why you are doing nothing as of now. Okay, you are just seeing the things, you are just observing the behavior, you are just doing nothing. Okay, the moment you will make up your mind, you are definitely going to take action. That's what I feel. On the other hand, we have Queen of Wands. Okay, now when it comes to your partner's view, or I would say the actions what your partner is taking towards you, is that your partner wants to take action. Okay, It's not that they don't want to take any action. They want to take action towards you, okay? And plus this flower in their other hand it shows that, okay, this person is nurturer, okay? Because this is Queen of Wands. They are queen, okay? They have a lot of feminine qualities within them. They are nurturer, they are provider. All right, but I think that their focus is come somewhere else at this point of time. If they want to take any action towards you, they won't, because something is there in their mind which is stopping them. And I feel that since they are being very determined towards their own life, towards their own finances or work, okay, they have got some vision in their life. So right now they are also, looking towards that particular goal. They want to achieve something in life, only then uh, they'll take some action towards you. But yes, this flower shows that this person has emotions for you, okay? They have some soft corners for you. So as soon as they'll achieve that particular goal, they are definitely going to take action towards you. But as of now, no action from either side. All right, now let's see how you now let's see, Taurus, how you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel in this relationship and how they feel in this relationship. How you feel. Oh my God, we have got Two of Cups. And how they feel in this relationship. See, I told you, this person is back in your mind, okay? It's not that you are not doing anything. It's just that you are not showing them. You are not showing them anything. What you feel about them, how you feel about them. You are hiding your emotions. But deep down in your heart, deep down in your mind, with this Two of Cups card, you see this relationship is a worth relationship for you, okay? You see them as somebody who can invest in you emotionally, and perhaps they have the genuine emotions towards you, okay? They are here with a long time commitment. They are here to do a long time association with you, okay? And eventually I feel that you also wants to share your emotions with them. And sometimes you also share your things with them, but not very openly, okay? So you feel that you have got somebody who can, support you emotionally, and who can give you genuine emotions, or who can genuinely love you. But you just want to make sure, okay? You just want to make sure what exactly their intentions towards you. All right, on the other hand, Queen of Swords. Your person is feeling like a queen. I told you, because they have already got this queen card earlier, okay? So this person is feeling like a queen, and with this queen of swords, I feel that this person is being very energetic, okay? Perhaps I feel that many people must have chased them, but they are not but they didn't accept any other's proposal. Seems like they are not interested in taking any action towards anyone except you, okay? So that's why they are not afraid to cut people out from their life. See, this sword tells me that, okay, this person has, I told you, this person has a focused vision towards their life, right? They are determined towards taking something, okay, to achieve something, some goals in their life. That's why they are not taking any actions, but they have emotions for you. This is the reason this person is feeling loved. This is the person this feeling is this is the person oh, I'm really sorry, this is the reason this person is feeling protectiveness in this relationship, or they feel protected, okay, whenever you are around. But when it comes to others, or when it comes to other proposals, they are not interested, okay? They don't want to listen any other approval, or sorry, or any other offer, okay? Now let's see what is your mutual energy. What's the mutual energy? Three cards. Oh, I'm not going to take all three cards. What is the So Two of Swords is your current mutual energy, and King of Wands is your future potential of this relationship. You both are on same page with this current mutual energy, okay, because both of you knows what you want, okay, in life. Both of you are completely calm and peaceful, okay. You are maintaining your mental balance very well, and when it comes to offering emotions or love, you have emotions for the for each other, but not for anyone else, okay. You have emotions, but at this point of time you guys are working on your own self, okay. It's you who is working towards, or it's you who's analyzing this person. On the other hand, your person is working towards their own goals, okay. But deep down in their heart, both of you knows that, okay, this is the person for me. I should spend my entire life with this person, okay. These thoughts are keep coming into your mind. All right, so at this point of time you are not seeing anybody else, okay. Your heart is also closed, and you are not ready for, or you are not accepting any others proposals, okay. The moment you will feel that, okay, the other person is ready, then eventually you are going to take actions towards each other, okay. If they feel that, okay, my person is ready, I should take action. And if similarly goes with you. The moment you will feel that, okay, my person is ready, I should take any action towards them, okay. Now we have King of Wands. This is your future potential. Taurus, I feel that it's going to be you. This is you, King of Wands, who will be thinking about your person in future. If you are somebody who has got this hint that, okay, this is the person for me, but if your person is not ready for the commitment, or they are completely, I told you, they are completely determined towards something else in life. So when you feel that, okay, perhaps they are not ready right now, so you will wait for them. It's you who is waiting for them to achieve their goals. It's you who is waiting for them to conquer their uh, projects or missions. All right, so this is your future potential of this relationship, Taurus. Now let's see what angels are asking you to do at this point of time. Let's take some angel guidance. What angels? Okay. Taurus, I feel that whatever you are thinking about this person, that when this person must, is going through some tough time, or maybe this person is not ready for the commitment thing, or maybe this person, or perhaps you are, just judging them, whether they will be good for you or not. So I feel that whatever you are thinking negative about them, that won't be any case, okay. Perhaps you are thinking way much about them, perhaps you are judging them way much about them, perhaps you are looking for perfection in them. But you need to remember one thing, that nobody is perfect in this world. All right, nobody is perfect in this world. If you are looking for perfection, you won't get anything, okay. Alright, so Taurus, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Two of Swords, Five of Swords in reverse, and Queen of Swords. Some of you could be dealing with Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this King of Wands, Ace of Wands, and Queen of Wands. Alright, some of you could be dealing with Leo with the Strength card, and we have another earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Page of Pentacles. And Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio are also there in this reading, so some of you could be dealing with them as well, with this 7 of Cups in reverse. All right. Okay, so Taurus people, that was your reading. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.